everyone, I am Ika. In this video, we are going to talk the first part of conditional if. What is it? Let's watch. Okay, let me introduce you. This is me, and this is my piggy bank. And I have a plan. I am now saving my money, and I have a plan. In the next 10 years, I must have 2 billion rupiahs. I must save until 2 billion rupiahs. And I have a plan for spending it. So, if I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will invest some of the money. If I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will renovate the house. If I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will buy a car. And if I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will travel around the world. Those are my plans. Okay, now let's take a look at the first sentence. If I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will invest some of the money. The question is, has I here had 2 billion rupiahs? Not yet. Remember, I am still in the progress of saving the money. Has I here invested some of the money? Not yet. When does I have the money and invest it? Someday in the future. Okay, now let's take a look at another example. The second sentence. If I have 2 billion rupiahs, I will travel around the world. Has the character I here had 2 billion rupiahs? Not yet. Okay, because she is still in the progress, saving the money. Has the character I here traveled around the world? Not yet. So, when does I travel around the world? Someday in the future. So, what can we conclude? If the fact is in the future, the conditional if is in the present. And the pattern will be if I have, in the present tense, I will buy a football club. If I change I with they, if they have a lot of money, they will buy a football club. If I change with we, if we have a lot of money, we will buy a football club. So remember, the word after we, it is followed by present tense, after subject. Now, it will be different if the subject is she. If she has a lot of money, she will buy a football club. If he has a lot of money, he will buy a football club. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is the first part. If you have any questions, leave your questions and feel free to ask in a comment. See you next time in part 2. Have a nice day. Goodbye.